Meaning of Henry Bessemer.
Henry Bessemer.
Henry Bessemer.
Henry Bessemer.
Henry Bessemer. Henry Bessemer was a British inventor and engineer who developed a process for mass-producing steel, known as the Bessemer process. This process involved blowing air through molten pig iron to burn off impurities and create steel. Bessemer's innovation revolutionized the steel industry and greatly increased its output. It made steel production faster and cheaper, making it more accessible for construction and manufacturing industries. The Bessemer process was widely adopted around the world and helped to advance technological progress in the late 19th century. Today, the process is still used in some modern steel mills.